loud.
What's up guys, it's your boy Boss
Ang tra-
What's up guys, it's your boy Boss Kai Sir. And today guys, we are here and I don't know where we are, but it's okay. Stalker. Okay, what should we do? When we get home, I'm going to I'll do your comments, okay? Bye. Okay, we are going there guys. And give me this like best mail before by my school. So to my school, thank you. Look at this. And here's my mom. Yes. And we're going to my house. I'll meet you guys there. Bye. Okay guys, we're almost there. Oh my god. We are here in my old school. Okay, we are moving, so stay over here. Over there. Let's go to bike. We are going to my house. Goodbye. Okay, we are here in my house.
Kuya.
I don't know what the heck we are.
Okay mo na di pa ako. Thank you.
Thank you.
Okay, so nandiyan na si Daddy Lo.
Okay.
Sige na.
Can we buy?
Can you buy Daddy Lo?
Oh yeah. Okay. What happened was they are welding something.
Buy it ka mo si Daddy Lo.
Buy it.
Buy it ka mo.
I'm going to my living room.
Mama!
Okay.
Ano yung pabayad ni Kaisa?
Best performer ako, ma.
Ha? Basta
Best performer ako. Mamay, wait lang. Best male performer in congratulation of your ambition and
Adaward na! Basta ang magamin. Messi. Best male performer. Wow! Wow, di ba?
Mommy, can I put something?
Messi, keep na tayo picture.
Mamay, saan to Tita Makmak? Saan to Tita Makmak?
Akin na tayo post ko. Akin na ah. Sige, hawakan mo post.
Wait lang, ma.
Yan, tiro pa ma. Sila mo tiro pa.
Wait lang. Goodbye, guys. Love you.